The world of business can be challenging. So many hurdles can stand in your way, from being unable to increase your profit to feeling like you have to be in your business 24 hours a day. And that's why we're here to help. Action Coach has been helping business owners like you build and grow for over 30 years. That's 30 years. Whether you're just starting out in business or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, we can help you build a dream business. And here's how we do it in 4 points. Point number 1, increase your profit. The language of business is profit. The language of business is numbers. Turnover is vanity, profit is sanity, and cash is king or queen. Let's get control of your numbers. Let's get control of the important ones and see them continue to grow day by day, week by week, month by month, and year by year. Number 2, better work-life balance. Because here's the mantra. Embrace this from day one. Systems run the business, your team run the systems, and you run the team. Let's get your business systemized and working so you don't have to work, and so you've got more great choices. And now number 3, achieve your goals. The best habit that anyone can have is the habit of achieving their goals. That's exactly what we're going to hold you accountable to. Taking action and becoming a person that your future self will be proud of. Last but not least, number 4, build a high-performing team. A winning team is built on winning culture, and a winning culture is built on a learning culture. So get your team aligned, get them focused, get them systemized with a clear plan, with clear rules, taking risks and forging forward together. Take the first step in unlocking your business's full potential. Speak to me today to find out how we can help you best. I look forward to our conversation. Remember this, being in business should give you more life.